Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon American flag. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon American flag, let's begin with the pole. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that comes down. And I like to put my line at a little bit of an angle. Next, let's go ahead and draw a line that's going to curve. Then we want to draw another line that's going to come down here, and I'm going to make my line just a little bit longer. Then we'll just go ahead and connect it at the bottom with another little curve. Right here at the top, I like to add a little line that just goes up and then comes back down. And then right here, I'm going to make a circle shape at the top. Now starting here, we're going to make the actual flag. So what you want to do is start here. I'm going to go up and down, and then I'm going to come up and back down again. Next, I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to do that same thing. Just make the same exact lines. We'll start right about here. We'll go up and down, and then we're going to come back up and then down. Next, we're going to connect this with a straight line down. Now, right inside of here, I like to add just a little bit of a curved line, and this just kind of makes it look like the flag is kind of waving in the wind a little bit. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw one more of these lines right here in the middle. So we're just going to go up and down, and then we're going to come up and then down a little bit. Now, right at about the halfway point here, I'm going to draw a line that comes straight down. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to kind of go up and then down. And then we'll do one right here too. We're just going to come up and then down. Now I'm going to put a little cartoon face on here. So what I'm going to do is, starting here, I'll make a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'll go ahead and put a black dot inside each one. Then right here we'll make a line across. Then a line that's going to come down and then up for the mouth. Then we'll make a little sad face across there. Now starting here, let's make another stripe. I'm going to come up and then down. And then we're going to go up and down. And we'll do one here. We're going to go up and down, and then up and down again. Now inside of here, I'm going to put a few little stars. Now to draw the stars, all you have to do is this. You just make a little line that's going to go up and down, like an upside down V. Then you make a line that goes out and then in. We'll do one here. We go out and then in. Next, we're going to make a line that goes down and up, kind of at an angle, and then one more right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in a few more stars in here. Obviously, I'm not going to put 50 of them in here, but I'm just going to put a few stars. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon American flag. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.